Hey everyone, Matt here with Safford Auto. Sooner or later, we all get flat tires. And if your phone is dead, you might be stranded there. Now, whether it's a small leak or a blowout, knowing how to change your tire with the spare can get you back on the road in no time. All you'll need to do this is a jack, a lug wrench, your spare tire, and if one of your lug nuts has a lock on it, you'll need the key for that. All of these tools should be found in your car, and they're usually under the matting in your trunk. Before you go to change the tire, make sure to turn your hazard lights on and try to get to flat ground. This will make lifting your car on the jack much easier. Also, make sure to put your parking brake on, and if you have a manual transmission, leave your car in gear. The first step to taking off your tire is to take the wrench and loosen the lug nuts by turning counterclockwise. When using the wrench to take off the lug nuts, avoid pulling the wrench and try to use your body weight and lean on the wrench. It makes it a lot easier to take them off. If you have a hubcap on your car, you'll need to remove this first so you can access the lug nuts. Do not remove the lug nuts all the way, only loosen them. If you can't loosen the lug nuts, you can try stepping on the wrench, but be careful and make sure you're turning the right direction. With the lug nuts loose, you're ready to jack the car up. Now, different car models have different designated locations for the jack, so make sure to check your owner's manual to avoid damaging your car. Now that you have the jack in the right spot, jack the car up a few inches so the wheel comes off the ground. Finish taking off the lug nuts and remove the wheel. With the wheel removed, get the spare tire and place it on the car. Push it as far back on the lugs as it can go, and then start screwing on the lug nuts by hand clockwise. Once the lug nuts are securing the tire onto the car, you can lower the jack down and pull the jack out. Now that the car is on the ground, use the wrench to tighten the lug nuts. Rather than tightening them in a circle pattern, try to tighten them in a star pattern to ensure all the lug nuts have the same tension. With the tire on, you're ready to get back on the road. Make sure you put all your tools back in your car and don't leave anything on the side of the road, including chunks of rubber from your tire, because they are not biodegradable. Temporary spare tires aren't made to drive at high speeds or long distances, so drive carefully until you visit a tire technician. If your tires appear worn or you've had a flat tire and need it fixed or replaced, contact our service department at this number for a fast and cost-efficient solution. Thanks for watching the video today, guys. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and check out our channel. We have a ton of helpful how-tos and car overviews. Also, click the first link in the description and visit our website. We have a huge inventory of new and used cars. I'll see you on the next one.